Hi, welcome to Jumppl. Today we're going to be talking about task filters and sorting. So let's get started. Above here on the Tools section, you'll see that you have a Filters option. When you click onto it, we have a number of different options or filters to choose from. You can change the status of your filter by clicking Pending, In Progress, Done, and Archived. You can also set the priority of your task, whether it's normal, important, or very critical. You can assign the tasks to different team members right over here. And you can also custom your tasks, so you can select options like created today, created yesterday, created in the last 7 days, 30 days, this month, last month, So there's a lot of options to choose from when it comes to that. So there are a number of filters you can select, and once you've done selecting, just click on apply and all your filters will apply onto the task. Another important thing to remember is that you can select a task from right here, and then you can also select a different status for your task. So you can click done, and once you do that, you'll notice that it escapes from the front page. But when you do that from the top filter, it does not happen that way. So that was all for this video. I hope you thought it was easy, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!